Hello, welcome to Tech Robo. Today we will see what is piezoelectric, its working, then we move forward in the connections. Let's get started. What is piezoelectric? It is a mechanism or method to convert mechanical energy to electrical energy. It is simply done by using quartz. Example of piezoelectric is everywhere. Most common example we use in day-to-day life is lighter, and also most complicated things like voice recognition. Piezoelectric crystal is like a small battery with opposite sign in their faces. Let's see the working of piezoelectric.
Firstly, let's look into the quartz structure. Here we can see that silicon and oxygen are alternatively placed in a hexagonal structure. We are taking hexagonal structure for simplicity. Let's assume that center of mass of silicon and oxygen are same, that is in the center of structure like shown here. Let's take a rectangular plate of quartz and press it. What will happen inside? Let's look into it.
The silicon atom will try to move downward and oxygen will move upward. Because of movement of silicon and oxygen, center of mass changes. For silicon, center of mass shifted downward, and for oxygen, it moves upward.
Due to change of center of mass, partial positive is developed in silicon and partial negative develop in oxygen. Due to this, dipole movement occurs. Upper face of rectangular material acts as positive phase and lower face acts as negative phase. Because of charges, voltage difference occurs and current will trend to flow. And this is the working of piezoelectric and how the conversion of mechanical energy to electrical energy take place. This is piezoelectric material. Middle part is positive part and outer part is negative. Let's look the connection and voltage. This is AC voltage. We need to convert this AC voltage into DC voltage by using some rectifiers. Let's convert AC into DC. This is a rectifier which I made earlier. If you want to know how to make rectifier, then comment below. I will make video on it. This is positive side, this is negative side, and the remaining two side is the connection of output of piezoelectric. Let's first do the parallel connection and check the output by using multimeter. By this result, we can conclude that series connection is more efficient than parallel connection.